In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello account. If you've decided it's time to move on from Trello, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to remove your account safely. A quick heads up. Before we start, Trello uses an Atlassian account, which can also be used for products like Jira and Confluence. Deleting your Trello account here actually deletes your Atlassian account, which removes your access and personal data across all connected Atlassian products. If you have boards you might need later, consider exporting them or transferring ownership to someone else first, especially if you're the only admin on keyboards. Start by signing into Trello on a desktop browser. On any Trello page, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar. This opens a small menu. From that menu, choose Manage Account. That option takes you out of Trello and into Atlassian's account management in a new tab, which is exactly where the deletion setting lives. Once you're in the account management area, find the section called Account Preferences. Open that page to see settings that affect your whole Atlassian account. Scroll until you see Delete Account. Click that option to begin the deletion process. You'll land on a confirmation screen that explains what will happen to your data and access. Read the warnings carefully, and when you're ready, click Delete Account again to confirm. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to verify your identity, such as re-entering your password or approving a prompt. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the confirmation. After that, Atlassian schedules your account for deletion. The process isn't always instant, and you might receive an email summarizing what to expect. If you still use other Atlassian products with the same login, keep in mind you'll lose access to those as the deletion completes. A couple of quick tips for a smooth experience. Make sure any important workspaces have another admin so teams retain access to shared boards, and save any receipts or records associated with paid subscriptions before you proceed. If you're signed in on multiple devices, plan to sign out everywhere, as your sessions may linger temporarily until the deletion fully takes effect. And that's it. You click the profile icon, opened Manage Account, went into Account Preferences, selected Delete Account, and confirmed by choosing Delete Account again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close out your Trello presence with confidence.